That's not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube album stuff so you get the videos I put them out. So I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the day they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the Supreme Court passed a law yesterday that I think is very, very scary. They upheld a tax law that said unrealized gains that you made outside of the country is taxable income. Now, I want you guys to understand this. This couple was invested in a corporation outside of the United States. The corporation made money, but that money wasn't actually given to them. It wasn't distributed to them. But the Supreme Court is holding that even though they never got the money never hit their bank accounts because they were entitled to that money, that money can be taxed. And a majority of you guys are probably saying, Donnahue, what does that have to do with us as a foreign corporation? It has nothing to do with us. It has a lot to do with us, in my opinion. Because if the Supreme Court can rule that unrealized gains from a foreign corporation are taxable, that means they can claim unrealized gains in our portfolio is taxable. Imagine you bought Tesla at $10. And right now, Tesla is trading at $200. You haven't sold because you don't want to incur a taxable event. But now, based on this new ruling by the Supreme Court, you don't need a taxable event. You don't need to cash out your earnings. The fact that Tesla went up from $10 to $200, you owe taxes on the $190 that you gained. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. They didn't say that yet, but in my opinion, this new tax or the upholding of the tax on unrealized gains from foreign corporations is opening the door for them to start taxing unrealized gains in our portfolios. So if you want to hold AMC, you want to hold GME, and you want to give it to your kids or your grandkids, you might not be able to do that because the gains from those plays or from any play in the stock market could be taxed annually. And here's a terrible thing. Then what? What about if the security loses money? What if on December 31st, it was worth $1 million and then you had to pay tax on that $1 million, and then in the first 2 weeks of January, the value crashes. Then what? Now you got to wait till the following year to file taxes for the losses? I mean, it's absolutely crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I know the shows are going to attack because that's what shows do. That's what y'all are paid to do. But if the Supreme Court can rule that you can be taxed on unrealized gains in foreign corporations, I don't see it a far stretch for them to rule sometime soon that they can tax unrealized gains in our stock portfolios. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's outrageous for the Supreme Court to rule that they can tax unrealized gains that you never saw in your pocket? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.